Hello again. In this video, we are going through control rig for Metahuman concept. We are going to create a control rig for the Metahumans so that we can animate in Blender. So in the last video, we have already created a proxy from Metahuman. We are continuing from that step. This is where we are. Append Metahuman base light asset from Powerline assets. Asset browser, Powerline assets, rigs layout. We have this asset called character metahuman base light. Append this into your scene. We set the transforms. We we only need the rig components. We don't need the mesh. Duplicate the deform rig, apply scale. Let's call it layout reference. In the next step, we need meta rig. We need this meta rig to be matching the positions of this deform rig. So this is the deform rig, the one that controls the mesh. Let's call it deform rig. So we need this meta rig. So we might be confused because in Blender we call it meta rig, and we are using Metahuman from Unreal. Just pay attention, the terms might be confusing. Meta rig, Blender's rigify generator is meta rig. The character itself from Unreal is meta rig. Okay. So we need meta rig to match Metahuman's skeleton layout. For that, we need to apply scale on the deform rig, which deforms the metahuman. Okay, this is deform rig, but we still need the scale, which is 0.01. We should not apply that, so we are going to duplicate this deform rig and call it layout reference, unparent it, move to scene collection so it's visible, apply scale, control A and scale. You can see the transforms here. Control A, scale. So now when we match it in edit mode, it will match properly. Okay. So where we are at duplicate deform and apply scale. Now disconnect root body. This is from asset, from Powerline asset. There are two. We don't need root face in this step. Since we are working only with proxy rig, we don't need the face. Root body. Currently the root body and meta rig both are, see, I'm unable to change. They both are connected to control rig. Okay. We need to disconnect them. Let's follow the steps. Disconnect the root body. Disconnect the root body armature from the asset and match it to layout reference in edit mode. Okay, let's select root body and we need to disconnect it. For that, let's open connection manager. Select the root body and click disconnect. We might not see anything, but it is disconnected. Still we are unable to move it because of the transformation box. Okay, it is disconnected. Now Delete any mesh, we already did that. Disconnect root body or matcher from the asset. Match it to layout reference. In edit mode. For edit mode things, go to layout tab in the connection manager. Choose in main tab. Direct edit mode. Now select in the way we want. We need root body to be matching to layout reference. Okay. Let's select root body first. Layout reference will be the master. Select it last. Now choose the appropriate scheme. Here the both are similar in naming. So we choose self to self. Root body is also a metahuman copy. This is also a metahuman copy. So select in order. Select root body. Select layout reference. This is the master. Choose self to self and click layout. Now we have the this root body as aligned with the deformation mesh skeleton. Deformation skeleton. And what's the next? Delete any mesh. Done. Disconnect meta. Now go select meta. Click disconnect. Choose tab. Now disconnect. Now it is disconnected from the end and bind it to, let's see, from the set match it to root body. Okay, we need in edit mode. Now select meta rig first, then root body. Let's isolate for the visibility. Go to layout and match the in edit mode. For this, choose meta rig less than metahuman. That means meta rig will be snapped to the locations of metahuman. Root body is a copy of metahuman skeleton. So select again. This one should be last step. Now layout. Okay, we got the locations. Fix any leftover issues. Look for any orientation issues and follow this document for orientation reference. The most possible issues will be orientation of scapula, this clavicle, the Z should be up, and fingers, alt touch. I'm clicking alt touch to hide the finger orientations. To let's check these ones first. The X, fix the orientations based on the model. Now select these. We need them to be pointing as the parent should. Parent is point. Open control connection manager again. The miscellaneous. Click aim as parent in edit mode. Okay. Now we have the orientation of the parent and also it points similar to the parent. That's done. And another thing, ball joint. The Z should be facing the. For reference, check this control tick orientations reference. Foot, toes, fingers, legs, foot. Okay. Now here, the Z of the ball joint should be facing upwards. X should be inwards. Select it in edit mode, global Z. We got that. And fix any other issues like metacarpals. It will be if they both, if all the four will be in this line, it will work better. Align the Z's so that check this mirror option so it Where's the orientations on the other side? Everything looks fine. For reference, check the top reference top. Now the next step, control rig orientations. We already checked. Check orientation. These are the probable possible cases where it might go wrong. Clavicles, palms, metatarsals, fingers, ball, and toes. We already checked all those. Let's go to next step. Build rectify rig and connect root body to control rig. Okay, using this scheme. Let's do that. Select Metahuman. You can rename it. In this case, my character is Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Santa. Okay. Now I'm going to build it. This is previous rig which came from appending the asset. Rectify, regenerate rig. Now this is the updated one that's in sync with the deform mesh. Try it for now. Okay. So we build connect a deform skeleton to root body. Okay. Connect root body to control. So this is control. Connect root body. So this is root body. Connect to control. Select the root body first. Control rig later. And choose rig connection manager. Not in edit mode. We'll need it to be done in pose mode. So select this schema. It is displayed here. Metahuman is less than human rigify. That means Metahuman skeleton will be controlled by this rigify skeleton. Check the selection. Metahuman first. Human rigify last. Now connect. It doesn't seem like anything, but it's done. So we did not connect deformation rig yet. We only connected root body. Okay, let's undo that. Okay. Now select. Now connect deform skeleton to root body. Select deform skeleton first. This is meta rig. Edit. This is deform skeleton. Let's check. This is the deform skeleton. Select it and later select the root body. Now click connect. Now the control rig will be controlling. Oh yeah. With this scheme. That's what happened. Deform rig. Root body. Change the schema to self. They both are meta human skeleton. Now connect. Now check. Now the metahuman is deforming with skeleton. And controller. Save this version. Proxy model materials assign. Down to control. Wait a second. Let's change the character name. Santa Claus Proxy. Object data collection. Santa Claus. Let's just clean up center pass proxy geometry. Plus output. Proxy outputs. Phase 2, phase features. Deformation rates. Okay. Now we can delete this collection. This one we can ignore it. Now let's save all the control rig. Save. That's it for this video, guys. This is how we can connect and control Metahuman rigs with Rigify rigs. See you in the next video. In the next video, I'll be showing how we can transfer animation from Cascada or any mocap services to this Rigify rig. Okay. Thank you. See you again.